Bryn just put a new pair of shoes on that I'd gotten back in the States when I was there on the clearance at Baby Gap, and they fit her now. I know you've got new shoes and you're trying them out. You gonna pull your helicopter through the house? Alright, we're getting ready to launch the helicopter. Tell Daddy you're ready for the flight line. Grab that string and go with your new shoes. Good job. It takes a lot of fine motor skills to grab a little string, huh? And she's off with her helicopter. Woo! Running into objects. It's too much fun to watch what's behind you instead of watching what's in front of you, huh? And she's off. Are you flying a helicopter? Huh? Definitely Daddy's girl. Woo! Those shoes work great, don't they, Bryn? I'm sure the neighbors love hearing this at 9 in the morning. That's okay, though. You're having fun, huh, Bryn? Watch out for the wall. Another day of play has begun.